Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram music search loading problem. If you're using Instagram and you have searched for any music on your Instagram app, but you're facing the issue that your search is still loading and it's not completed. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So basically it's nothing else, just a network issue. You can easily fix that issue. Very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you are connected to any internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you have to also make sure that your connection is strongest and stable. And after that, go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't connected any you are not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, and after that go back, open your app store, and you have to update your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates for your Instagram app, try to update that, and after that go back. Your issue will be fixed, or if it's still not fixed, so you just have to go for settings app again and go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this fix, and after that your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. Or if you're still facing the same issue that your issue is not fixed, so it might be your Instagram app issue, that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. So let's see how can you fix that. You just have to keep a long press on your Instagram app, and then you'll find the option of delete app here. After updating, you have to delete your app or uninstall app from your iPhone or any Android, and then go for App Store or Play Store again, and you have to search for Instagram and reinstall it. So in the reinstalling process, if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.